Hi guys, welcome to ITeePK. Today we will learn the simple steps on how we can change the language on YouTube. I'm going to show you how to change the language settings on YouTube using your phone. Whether you want to switch to your preferred language for better navigation or enjoy content in a different language, I will guide you through this simple process step by step. So let's jump right in. On your mobile phone, please go to YouTube application. In the YouTube application, make sure you are logged in with an email account that is associated with your YouTube. So I have clicked on U button and I am on my YouTube account. On your YouTube account, at the top of your screen on the right side, you will find this setting gear icon. Click on it. Once you will click on gear icon, you will be in the setting, and under account, please go to general option. Now on the fourth option, you can see app language. Let's click on it, and here we could select any other language that we want. So let's say for this example I want to select German language here, and it's saying that this will change the language used in the app including buttons, text and the dialogues, right? Let's go ahead and click on change. Once you will click on change, this will restart your YouTube application, and this will change the language on buttons, text and the dialog box, right? The title of the videos or the description will remain same. You can see here now the language is changed on the buttons and everywhere where we want to operate our YouTube. So let's go back again to gear icon in the settings. In the settings, let's go to the first option that was general, and we want to change the language back to English. Let's go again to the fourth option, and here I want to change this language back to English. Let's do that and accept. Now this will again restart my YouTube app and the language will be again English. So that's it about today's simple tutorial on how to change the language on YouTube, and we have also learned how to revert back to the original language. Thanks for watching, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe ITeePK. Take care, bye.